Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to easily update Windows 10 version 2004. Type Windows Update Assistant in browser search bar. Click Windows Update Assistant. Click Download Windows Update Assistant. Click Update now. Open downloaded file. Click Yes to continue. The latest version is 2004 available. Click Update now. Click Next. Downloading Windows 10 update started. Updates downloaded successfully. Click Restart now. Successfully updated to the latest version of Windows 10. Right-click Start button, click Run. Type WinVer. Updated to current version 2004. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.